In 1949, Reginald Schneider, seen on the right here, started selling propane to neighbors from a cart he wheeled around his Salisbury neighborhood. It was the start of Tri-County Gas, a business his son and grandson would eventually join.
That grandson, that's Mike Schneider, that grandson's right here with his father and his son. In 2001, Mike expanded on his father's vision with Pemberton Appliance Company. Since then, Pemberton Appliance Company has become the ideal place for homeowners considering gas fireplaces, tankless water heaters, gas grills, gas conversions.
Mike and his team can also take your outdoor living space to the next level. From simple to sensational, they can hook you up with gas gadgets that will transform family time into a marvelous, can't-miss event. Oh, and even extend your outdoor season. The showroom inside Pemberton Appliance Company in Salisbury is stunning. But what's really impressive is what you'll find outside. And outside is where you will find me on this beautiful day. I am at Pemberton Appliance Company with the owner. This is Mike Schneider, and this is a great setup you have here. And this is in response to what folks are doing nowadays, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Basically, since COVID, most people are realizing they don't have to, they can have their vacation in their backyard, not have to go away and spend that kind of money. They're choosing to invest it in their home. It's increasing their property values, and you can do so many different things. Everything is pretty much made custom to what the customer wants and needs and what their backyard is.
Yeah, and you have just about everything you could imagine here, including a pizza oven, and we are going to make some pizza, aren't we?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so tell me about what we got here.
Well, we just got some simple things. I was just going to make my son's favorite is a chicken bacon ranch pizza.
Ooh.
So I have a place right downtown that I get the pizza dough from. It's certainly not good enough to make it. So just needing the outside.
And what I think is interesting is you have all these other ingredients that you pulled out of basically a refrigerator. Can you imagine not having to spend time in the kitchen when you have people over? You just have everything right here. That's what you do, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Tell me about the grill where you had where you cooked the chicken.
Well, I prepped it because I like the taste and the flavor of the smoking. It's a smoker, so we have the bacon that we're cooking in the back, and just so you can do everything from down to 250 degrees all the way up to a sear on this product.
So back to our pizza here.
Yeah.
So you got the chicken on there.
Done.
You could really impress some guests with this kind of
yes, ma'am.
cooking with your pizza oven. How about a party where everyone makes their own pizza?
We've done that several times with our with friends and family, and it's amazing what you come up with.
Oh, I bet. Now, of course, cooking is not the only thing you can do outside. You have fire pits as well?
Yeah, we do fire pits. We do heating, so outdoor heating. We have patio heaters and stuff like that. So we basically, what I'm able to do is add a month on either side of both the fall and get you outside sooner in the spring.
Yeah.
So
that's a neat idea. Extend your summertime a little bit.
Correct. We're started a little bit earlier, so this pizza is pretty much ready.
Okay.
Ready to bring out. There you go.
Oh wow, that looks amazing. We have to let that cool down, aren't we?
Then we just take a little bit of ranch.
And this is your kid's favorite?
This is my son's favorite. I prep the bacon and the chicken, and I cook the chicken all the way, and I cook the bacon about 90%, so that way when you put it in, because it's so hot in there, you can overcook it.
Sure. All right.
Would you like a piece?
I would love a piece. And while we're serving this up, let's talk a little bit about you have a couple fire pits over here, and obviously different sizes and shapes.
Yes, ma'am. And with all different kinds of media. You can, the one on the right is more of a standard configuration. The one on the left, they can work with home automation. So this literally comes on a timer.
All right, and then this one over here looks a little more traditional, like something you would have inside your house.
Correct. This is just an outdoor fireplace so that you can have that traditional look outside, or on a 3-season room, something off of a covered porch. Let me know what you think of the pizza.
Oh yeah, I was letting you talk so it could cool down a little bit. Oh my goodness, it's good. Oh wow, I love the flavor coming out of the oven. Wow, thank you so much, Mike.
Thank you very much. Thanks for coming by.
And you should stop by too to see how easy it is to experience an outdoor oasis without leaving home. And although the summer season is almost over, that doesn't mean you can't get an outdoor kitchen in time to use it before it does get too cold. I would love that.
Oh my goodness, that would add so much to it. Wow.